That's right, folks. The Fiero comes alive in this video. Here, we'll be doing the brakes and taking her for her first test drive in 20 years. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. To start things off, I began by honing the front brake calipers. The reason for doing so is that the pistons are made of phenol formaldehyde, or better known as Bakelite, and over the years they have a tendency to swell up a little bit. So when you go to hit your brakes and you got no front brakes, that's probably the problem. So the easiest solution was simply to hone out the caliper bore as I'm doing here right now.
Well, I've been honing this caliper for about 20 minutes now. She's very close to bottoming out in that caliper. So I'll probably keep at it for about another 20, and that should probably suffice for it. Alrighty, now got some good old silicone grease to use here. Thick stuff. Just make sure that the sleeves are able to slide easily in the caliper. So it's designed to prevent sticking. Just like that. Tricky. Might need a persuader hammer. Oh yes. That's what's holding me up.
Now, just like with any project, you're going to run into hiccups, such as stripping threads on your caliper, or bursting a hard line for your brakes, which is probably a good thing, because I ended up replacing all of those with Nycop instead of having to go on the road. But once all of that was done, it was time for the moment of truth.
Take a good look. Finally driving. Brakes that work. Oh, she's rolling. They see me roll. Oh shit. Okay, it stopped. Anyway, check this out. These still work. I went over and checked the turn signals too. Those work as well. Ooh, these could be cleaned up a little bit. But all in good time. All in good time. I don't know if that works. Oh, I heard a click. Next items on the list, air filter and the PCV valve. And I think I'm gonna go back to the original idle air control valve. So I think that one, I stole off a different car, I think that one's stuck open. Maybe. And then one of the next items after that to address is obviously this rust out spot here. So we'll probably weld up a little bit of metal to that after we clean it up, and a battery tray. So we're probably going to take one off a different parts car, weld it up here. Anyway, enough chit chat, let's go for a ride. Ready to see something, Aries?
Full speed. Ta-da! Sir? Look at that. Ah, the sun. Oh my god, we're going so fast. Speedy.
A full 92 horsepower.
Oh my god. I can't believe it. Wait, what's like the highest horsepower in a car can have?
I know Top Fuel Dragsters make something like 10,000 horsepower.
92 horsepower. 93, 92? I can't remember. So it's like, woo.
Shit.
Oh no. Are we not gonna make it up this hill?
Ugh.
Go! Please,
Fuck.
please, I want to rip.
Okay, we might be losing fuel somewhere.
Not sure, I don't see it out there.
You're not gonna see it spraying out.
It's gonna be. Oh, I hear the flux capacitor powering up.
That is not good. That is not good.
Oh no.
I better put her in gear.
So,
It's something different. Because the starter didn't kick in.
is it something with the battery?
No, I doubt it. 'Cause I screwed those connections on there.
Yeah.
I will just let her cool off a little bit. Okay, so I've decided to film this second test drive after all. I'm gonna roll up these windows. Okay. Wish me luck. So, we filled her up with gas, topped off the surge tank for the coolant. See if that helps at all. I doubt it will. because it is known that heat does kill some of the ignition components on these Iron Dukes. So what do you make of it, Aries?
The Fiero?
Yeah.
I love it.
Smells a little.
Get some air conditioner. Like, well, these air fresheners, like,
Yeah.
you fart.
Oh, this is nerve-wracking.
Why? Because you're going so fast in an old car?
I don't know if we're gonna make it.
Is this how fast the speed limit is meant to be?
No, we can go faster.
Or are you just going slow just in case?
Well, it is a bit of a rough road. No, you won't see a Lambo around here.
I saw a Lambo in Racine.
Yeah, but that's in the city.
Yeah, I know. Still. I saw a Lamborghini in Racine. Like,
I'm sad that the horn doesn't work.
are you gonna blur out this stuff, or like where it says the things,
What?
where it gives us where they are? You gonna blur that out? Because literally people could just come here and then follow the same route we did, so they can find our house.
Ooh, that belt squeaking was not good. Did you hear that?
Yeah, are we gonna go to the auto parts place?
No, they're gonna be closed.
I'm crying about it. Did they have a Subway here?
Yeah.
To be honest though, I've never heard of Cornwall Express. Cornell Express.
Pop up and down headlights. Yep, we went and got gas. We made it back. Didn't need a tow truck to get us home. That's right. So yeah, hope you enjoyed part 2 of Project Fiero. This was certainly a long time in the making, mostly because we were waiting on these. But finally got to drive it. Super happy. I can't wait to bring this thing home. Anyway, if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and while you're at it, hit the like button. And I will see you in the next one.